perch. I got a feeder for you to perch on. It's a fun song, isn't it? It's by the Eels. It's called I Like Birds. Yeah, you gotta turn that on and jam to it. It's fun. You know, it's one of my favorite songs, and I made something artistic put on my wall. Do you guys want to see it? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, here I am. Are you ready? Oh boy, there's a bunch of reflections in it. Okay, you see it? See, it's a record. It says, I like birds. Isn't that fun? Can you read all the little whatnots on there? If you're smiling on a search, I got a feeder for you to perch on. See the birds flying? There he is with a feeder. There he is singing. That's me. Yeah, isn't that fun? Oh boy, I gotta turn that down. Yeah, isn't that cool? I got this record frame at Hobby Lobby. I was like, oh, let's get creative, Annie. Let's make something fun out of it. Let's make this is the LP, the big boy, and then I got a small one too. It's not I Like Birds, but it is a bird song. You want to see that one? Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm back. I had to rip it off the wall because I got one of those sticky things to put on the wall. Here it is. You see that one? That's my little 45. That says, hummingbird, hummingbird, don't fly away. That's one of my favorite songs by Seals and Crofts. Yeah. Oh man. Okay, there you go. You see it? You don't want to see my face, do you? Or do you? Yeah. Aren't those creative? I love them. I think they're fun. It's right here in my office. I got those two hanging up. Yeah. I thought you'd enjoy that. Well, let's see what's new. How do you like my necklace? Isn't that nice? A little blingy. Yeah. You know what shape that is? What is that? You know, it's a state. It's not Florida though. You got one more guess. It's Cali. Isn't that fun? Yeah. It's gold. It's a big it's 24 karat gold. Hey, 24 karat gold. It's just a piece of old plated junk. I got at a little street fair up in the desert one trip out there. I thought it was cool. Makes me look like one of those rappers, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, Cali. I'm going back to Cali. To Cali. To Cali. I'm going back to Cali. Hey man, I don't think so. I live here. I don't have to go back there. I live there. Oh boy. Where do you guys live? You guys live all over the place? You live in the United States, or you live in another country, or I don't know. I mean, what the hell? There's what, 8 billion people out there? Isn't that nuts? Do you people ever think about that? How many other people there are besides you? Like how irrelevant you are? I mean, what? And we think we're so important. And we matter. And we don't. It's so fun. I wish everybody would just take this little trip around the, around Plan D lightly. Because it really doesn't matter. It's supposed to be fun. Yeah. Let's change that because that's Ship of Fools, and we already heard that. So let's take a little shuffle and see what ends up. Okay. I have my computer. And, oh, damn it. I gotta, hold on. I know, it's kind of annoying. Hold on. Here we go. Shuffle. See what's next. I'm not gonna cheat. Oh no. I know what this is. Little by little. I would have shuffled to somebody else but Robert, but I guess it's a plant kind of Friday. Because Robert wants to party with me again. Yeah, he hasn't had enough of me. Little by little. I believe this is from the 80s. Oh yeah. That's so groovy, man. Yeah, playing, he was pretty sexy. Yeah. Even in his old 70s, he's still got it. You can't get rid of sexy, I tell you. You're overplaying, you got it. Yeah, I know, we got the same hair, don't we? Little by little, everything changes. Oh yeah. Do you realize that? Everything changes. Especially your mind. It's an ever-changing roller coaster. I'm playing with this hair clip on my finger. Looks kind of fun, doesn't it? New fashion. I told you I was a trendsetter. You watch. Oh yeah, it'll be the next big thing on, TikTok. Anyhow, enough of my creative genius flowing out there. I gotta let other people be creative besides me. So, yeah, I've been thinking a lot lately, as I always do. I don't know, what was I thinking about? Oh, yeah, I think I figured out everything. You know, I'm always looking for the answers of why we're here. Well, I think I stumbled upon the secret. Yeah. Oh boy, it's so simple. Do you know what it is? It's to let everything be as is. I know it sounds pretty simple, doesn't it? And you're like, oh, well, I know that. No, you don't. No, you don't. How many of you think you've mastered that? Letting the outside be 100% as it is and not having any kind of crybaby reaction to it. Not crying about anything. Not crying about what comes out of other people's face or how they react to you or how they act or reacting to every single dingle thing. That's not how we're supposed to learn anything here. See, the outside was here to teach us a lesson. Every single thing that was happening outside of you was there to help you, and all you did was resist it and get all upset about it and try to change it. And I don't like that. I don't like where I live. I don't like what happened to me in the past. I don't want to drag that around forever. I don't like where I am now. I don't like my job. I don't like my relationship. It ain't 100% perfect. Oh, damn it. I put in a lot of years this marriage, but it ain't perfect. I'm sure I can find it somewhere else. And someone's gonna treat me perfect. And oh, I don't like what's going on in the politics. I don't like that. I don't like my finances. I don't like my body. Oh, I don't like my face. Oh no. Oh boy. I don't even like to look in the mirror no more. Oh, I don't like my gray hair. Oh, I don't. Oh, wait a minute. I like this moment. I just got an Amazon package. Yay! I got something. Oh, but they shipped me the wrong thing. That's not what I expected. Oh no. Oh boy. No. It's incredible how all messed up we all are. Yeah. No. Why don't you try a simple thing? Just appreciate every single thing that this beautiful existence is sharing with you. It's all for you. Oh my God, you hear that song? You. It is for you. Yeah, this is a good one. Okay, see, I get off track and lose what I'm saying. Who really cares? Nobody cares what I think or my little philosophy of life and this bullshit. Everybody doesn't want to wake up or, play the game seriously. We all want to play the sleep game. Sleep. Yeah, it's alright. They always be able to come back and do it again. Yeah. up again in different little people and situations and things. You just don't worry. It's gonna come around again. You'll be able to try one more time. It's all okay. If you like to keep watching the same movie over and over again and play the same song over and over again, that's okay. You know, you get to know the lyrics, you get to know all the characters, you get to know what they're gonna say and what's gonna happen next, and then, you know, you feel all secure and great. But if you want to put on another record, another movie, you want to, you know, mix things up, well, you know, you gotta act differently. You gotta act with some, you know, kahunas. You gotta take whatever life gives you. Wherever it's serving in your face, you just eat it. And you don't complain, and you don't try to change it. And you say, damn, that's delicious. That's the best serving I've ever had. And you just wait for the next one. No complaints, it's too cold, it's too spicy, it tastes terrible. I don't like this, I don't like that, and you just love it all. And there you go. Here's my Friday foolery, my nonsense, or the sense that makes sense to me today. And I think that's it for today. And I think I'm gonna cheer dance my way out of here. And I'm gonna wish you all a happy Friday and peace out.